Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Francisco Quixtan and I'm a professional musician, teacher, parent, a little bit of everything. I'm really excited about today's video because this is our first package sent from a company as part of their ambassador program. So let's do an unboxing, and I have no idea what's in here. I'm really excited. And I'm doing this live for my ASMR people. I had to cut the edges open because I didn't want to do it in camera, and my address is right here. So let's see what's in here. We're doing this together. I have no idea what's in here. Wow. We have a little card from California. We got a nice little letter, and it comes with this. And you can see me. I'll read this letter for you. It says, "Thank you for being part of our ambassadorship. Inside the package, we have included our notebook essential set, which includes our core pencils, 602, matte, pearl, natural, one-step, long point sharpener, and a point guard. Enjoy. Thanks." And here is the package. It is by Blackwing. And the packaging is beautiful. It's super legit. It's super everything. And in the back, it shows you what comes in the package. We got these pencils. We got this notebook. We got the pencil cover and the sharpener. Now to figure out how to open it. And I'll stop talking so that the ASMR people get to really enjoy this process, unless I struggle too much. Still struggling. Yeah, there's this beautiful matte packaging. Let's check it out. We got the pencils, white pencil, the matte pencil, and the natural pencil. The notebook, the sharpener, and this is a really cool sharpener. The pencil cover. I am now officially a Blackwing ambassador, and I get to use these products to create my art, my music, everything. To write on my music, to compose music, and just like an instrument needs to be well crafted, all these products are beautifully crafted, and now I get to just enjoy them. And not to be weird, but like just like the wood, I don't know about you, but I really enjoy the smell of a good pencil, a good notebook. It makes a huge difference. It says Blackwing Slate. Blackwing pencils were used by award-winning creators through the 20th century. Despite a cult following, they fell victim to the cost-cutting measures in the 1990s and were discontinued, but not forgotten. Analog-minded devotees began paying as much as $40 for a single pencil. We acquired the brand in 2010 and brought Blackwing back for a growing culture of artists, musicians, and everyday people looking to unplug and live mindfully. This medium Blackwing Slate notebook features 160 pages of high-quality 100 GSM paper, a durable dual sewn binding, and our signature matte hardcover. It also has a built-in pencil holster that comes in loaded with a Blackwing matte pencil. Here, ASMR people. Try again. I'm going to put my name, all my information, and I love these dotted pages because it's still freeing enough that I can basically, whatever I want to make, I can make in here. The dots are just a guide. They're not a strict rule that tells me, no, you have to stay within these lines. And as a musician, as a jazz musician, as a person who likes to just kind of color outside the line sometimes, this is perfect. This is something I would really want to see, so let's make it happen. Brand new pencil, and now I get to sharpen it. Brand new sharpener. is beautiful and perfect. I'm really excited because there's that old saying that a pencil has a better memory than anybody else, or something like that. It's even the shortest pencil has the best memory, or something like that. But as a musician, a pencil is really important because as soon as you either mess up or there's something that needs to be adjusted by the professional musicians, by the conductor, by anybody, you just get to write it down. And the way that these pencils are, even like the little details of this pencil, like the way you hold it, the eraser that can be easily changed, makes a huge difference, because that means you can use this tool for many times. And that's, as a musician, as an artist, I'm looking for tools that make my life easier and tools that I really enjoy using. So Blackwing pencils is the obvious clear choice because it's a company from California that uses American materials and Japanese graphite, and it's just such a good mix and blend of things that we do here. A designated pencil for specific uses. I'm sorry about that. Again, just matches the vibe here. And then the tip cover, and now your pencil's safe, and you get to use it with your book. You just attach it, and now you're good on the go. You have any idea, you have a melody stuck in your head, you want to write it down, you're doing some score studying and you just want to write it on there, makes perfect sense. And as now that I'm starting my graduate program at Berkeley, I get to just take notes and make beautiful things happen with these tools. A huge thank you to Blackwing for sending me this entire package. It's a dream come true to finally be part of something bigger than myself and to be working with other companies and brands to kind of share with you. And if you use the code kwikઃsädik at blackwing.com to order any of these beautiful tools, I get 10% of the commission, and you get to support a great brand. You get to support me, and you get your own products that you can use to continue to make your art, the things that you are already doing, but in a nicer, more focused way. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.